Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download any software you require for your work on a Windows. Every different profession or students require different software, and this list is very vast. Like engineer required AutoCAD, CATIA, Revit, MATLAB, and there are many more. Photographer, graphic designer needs different like Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom. Video editing software like Premiere Pro, Sony Vegas, and there are many more software. Tell me in the comment which software you need in your profession, and I am waiting for your comments. I will show you how to download without knowing any particular website. Yes, and it's absolutely free. So watch the full video and share with everyone. Hey, if you not subscribe our channel, please support us. Subscribe the channel, press the notification bell icon to get all updates. Open the browser like Chrome, Brave, Opera, Firefox. Go to the Google. Type the name of a software you want to download. Give the space and type 94AFBR. Just enter. Go to the first link below the search results. Follow the instructions and download the software. And it is very simple. You can do it for yourself. Hey, if you not subscribe our channel, please support us. Subscribe the channel, press the notification bell icon to get all updates.